In this new video, we watch an industrial operation from one of our customers with a vehicles and heavy machine fleet. As a dispatch solution, the customer choose the Fill-Rite pumps and a TCS high flow meter for the fuel reception. Besides, he has some 100,000 liters big tanks. For this project, we consider the best option is our Speed Print Link Flow computer, which is controlling the Fill-Rite pump, the TCS register and a 12 meters high precision magnetostrictive fuel probe level installed inside the tank. With the proposed equipment configuration, the customer controls his entire operation with a single equipment from the ease of a mobile device, tablet or cell phone. As we see in the video, the dispatch's operator performs the digital identification of the vehicle with NFC technology, besides enters mileage data manually so that the app and the cloud performs the fuel efficiency analysis of each vehicle. Thus, the client manages his fleet, supply quotas by vehicle and or equipment, charging authorizations according to business rules, inventory level measurements, consumption performance analysis and much more. There are no other solutions with better cost benefits that could give you more control.